Hello guys, and welcome to this video again, where I'm going to be showing you how to create set on fire effects. Now this effect shows a person that may be just that will just be engulfed in fire, and this is very good if you're creating a superhero movie or something like that. All you have to do is to go to this website higgsfield.ai, click on the visual effects section, scroll and choose the set on fire effect. So once you're on this page, you can see various video samples created using this effect. If anyone is very similar to what you want for your project, you can go on to click on it, but if not, just go on and click on generate. So once you've clicked on the generate icon, you'll be brought to a page where you can upload your own image here. So once you upload your image, you can describe your prompt, you can choose your model, you can choose duration and choose your resolution, then hit generate. Within minutes you have your video generated for you in this area. You can play it. Similar to your video would look something like this is a different effect, they'll turn into metal. So your video will appear here, and one thing I love about Higgsfield is that there are no watermarks, so you can actually generate many videos even if you're using your free account. This is a free account I'm using, so once generated, you just download it in this area, and you can now use your video for your project. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys. Please subscribe.